Jumbo Jets by Katie Allen. Contents: Giant jets 4, Jumbo engines 6, Wild wings 10, Wide body 12, In the cockpit 16, Carry the cargo 18, Super Jumbo 20, Glossary 22, For more information 23, Index 24. Giant jets. Jumbo jets are the monster machines of the skies. They're big enough to carry hundreds of passengers. They can fly hundreds of miles in one flight. How can a machine that big stay in the air? Let's find out. Jumbo engines. All jet planes have powerful jet engines. These engines burn a special fuel and create a force called thrust. Thrust is what moves jets forward. Jumbo jet engines create enough thrust to keep these monster machines flying high. Engine. Jumbo jets can have 2, 3, or 4 engines. The Boeing 777's 2 engines are the largest and most powerful in the world. Each engine is more than 11 feet, 3.4 meters wide, and each one weighs more than 18,000 pounds, 8,165 kilograms. Wild wings. Planes stay in the air because of the force called lift. During a flight, the air going over the wing moves faster than the air moving under it, which creates lift. This force allows jumbo jets to stay in the air. Airflow. Wide body. Jumbo jets are often called wide-body planes. Regular passenger planes have one axle between seats. Wide-body jets have 2 axles spreading 3 groups of seats. The widest jumbo jet can seat up to 11 people in one row. Making jumbo jets wider isn't the only way to fit more people on them. Some are 2 stories tall and can carry more than 800 passengers. Most jumbo jets had a first-class section. Some even have showers and beds. First-class section. In the cockpit. The room where pilots fly a plane is called a cockpit. A cockpit has lots of controls. The cockpit is in the nose, or very front of a plane. In some jumbo jets, the cockpit is above where passengers sit. Carry the cargo. Jumbo jets have room for cargo. Unlike other passenger planes, some jumbo jets store cargo in the nose of a plane. The Airbus Beluga is named after a whale. It was made extra large to carry very large cargo. Super Jumbo. The Airbus A380 is one of the biggest jumbo jets in the world. It's sometimes called a super jumbo jet. An A380 is so big it doesn't fit at all airports. Some airports were rebuilt just so as A380 could fit. The A380 Super Jumbo Jet. Engines 4, top speed 652 miles, 1,049 kilometers per hour. Length from nose to tail 239.5 feet, 73 meters. Length from wing tip to wing tip 261.8 feet, 79.8 meters. Passenger seating up to 840 people. Glossary. Axle. A path for walking between seats. Cargo. Goods carried by plane, train, or truck. First class section. An area in the plane where the seats are larger and cost more. Fuel. A source of energy for a machine. Passenger. Someone who rides on a plane. Pilot. Someone who flies a plane. For more information, books. Bingham, Caroline, Airplane, New York, NYDK Publishing, 2006. Witzman, by Lame. Jumbo Jets, New York, NY Wing Publishers, 2011. Websites dynamics of a flight. www.grc.nasa.government www.k12 UEET student site / dynamics soft flight HTML. How the Airbus A380 works. sciencehowstuffworks.com/transport. Flight modern A380 HTM. Read more about the Airbus A380 and see pictures of this monster machine. Index. Airbus A380 2021. Airbus Baguga 18. Airflow 11. Airports 20. ASL 12. Beds 14. Boeing 777 8. Cargo 18. Cockpit 16. Controls 16. Engines 6, 7, 8, 21. First class section 14, 15. Fuel 6. Lift 10. Nose 16, 18, 21. Passengers 4, 12, 14, 16, 18, 21. People 12, 14, 21. Pilots 16. Seats 12. Showers 14. Super Jumbo Jet 2021. Tail 21. Thrust 6. Wide body planes 12. Wing 10, 21.